Insurance coverage refers to the amount of risk or liability that is protected by an insurance policy. An insurance policy is a contract between the insurer, the insurance company, and the insured, the policyholder or beneficiary, that specifies the terms, conditions, and extent of coverage provided. The insurer agrees to compensate the insured for specified losses or damages in exchange for premium payments. Key elements of insurance coverage. 1. Policyholder definition: the individual or entity that owns the insurance policy and is entitled to coverage under the terms of the policy. Responsibilities: the policyholder is responsible for paying the premiums and adhering to the policy's terms and conditions. 2. Insurer definition: the insurance company that provides coverage and agrees to pay for specified losses or damages as outlined in the policy. Obligations: the insurer is obligated to compensate the policyholder or beneficiary for covered claims according to the policy terms. 3. Premiums definition: the payments made by the policyholder to the insurer to maintain coverage. Premiums can be paid monthly, quarterly, annually, or according to another agreed-upon schedule. Calculation: premiums are typically calculated based on factors such as the type of coverage, the policyholder's risk profile, the coverage limits, and deductibles. 4. Coverage limits. Definition: the maximum amount the insurer will pay for a covered loss or claim. Coverage limits can be set per incident, per policy period, or on an aggregate basis. Example: a health insurance policy may have a coverage limit of $500,000 per policy year, meaning the insurer will cover up to $500,000 in medical expenses within that year. 5. Deductibles. Definition: the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer begins to cover the remaining costs. Deductibles can apply per claim or per policy period. Example: an auto insurance policy with a $1,000 deductible requires the policyholder to pay the first $1,000 of repair costs before the insurance coverage kicks in. 6. Exclusions. Definition: specific conditions, situations, or types of losses that are not covered by the insurance policy. Exclusions are clearly outlined in the policy document. Example: a homeowner's insurance policy may exclude coverage for flood damage, requiring the policyholder to purchase separate flood insurance for protection. 7. Endorsements. Definition: amendments or additions to an insurance policy that modify the standard coverage terms. Endorsements can provide additional coverage or exclude certain risks. Example: an endorsement to a homeowner's insurance policy might add coverage for valuable jewelry or fine art. Types of insurance coverage. 1. Health insurance. A. Coverage features medical expenses. Covers the cost of medical treatment, including doctor visits, hospital stays, surgeries, and medications. Preventive care. Often includes coverage for preventive services such as vaccinations, screenings, and wellness checkups. B. Examples: individual health insurance, purchased by individuals or families to cover healthcare costs. Employer-sponsored health insurance, provided by employers as part of employee benefits. 2. Auto insurance. A. Coverage features liability. Coverage covers damages or injuries caused to others in an accident for which the policyholder is at fault. Collision coverage pays for damage to the policyholder's vehicle, resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage covers damage to the policyholder's vehicle from non-collision events, such as theft, vandalism, fire, and natural disasters. B. Examples: liability-only auto insurance provides liability coverage, but not collision or comprehensive coverage. Full coverage auto insurance includes liability, collision, and comprehensive coverages. 3. Homeowners insurance. A. Coverage features: dwelling coverage protects the structure of the home and attached structures. Personal property coverage covers personal belongings inside the home, such as furniture, appliances, and clothing. Liability coverage provides protection against claims for injuries or property damage sustained by others on the policyholder's property. B. Examples. Standard homeowners insurance provides comprehensive coverage for the home, personal property, and liability. Renters insurance covers personal property and liability for tenants renting a home or apartment.